Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this
massage device
that you can see here. It had some beating in the posting. This is the KH-320. Oh, here's another one. And this has 6 different levels of massage vibration, and it is an ideal device to relax after an exercise session. Oh, come on, you can see here it has 2 more holes from beating here. I mean, this is outrageous. Anyhow, as I was saying, this is an ideal device to use after exercise to increase blood circulation in the muscle. And this comes in 5 different colors, but we have chosen the cherry one, so you can say we have cherry picked this one here. And this is maybe the cheapest off-brand variation of this massager in the market. So let's check the product and see if it offers anything less than the more expensive products out there. Opening it up, we first have a user's manual that's in Chinese. So I guess we won't find anything here. If you can get anything out of this, I'll be glad, because I cannot read Mandarin. That makes some sense since it comes overseas. And on the other side, well, it seems there is an English manual here. That's great. We also have some specification here that's in English. That's great. So here we have all the instructions needed to use this device. We can check all that is needed for its proper use, and much more about the massage points on your body that I could give it a good read here. This is a product that will be ideal for those that are spending lots of time in front of their computer, even after a long gaming session. Just buy this product. This will be a life changer. For using it, we have different heads. We will have a list in the description below. These are attached to the main body of our massager, for which we have a battery charger. This one goes to the wall socket. Here we have an LED indicator for charging, and here we have the end that goes to the massager. And the cable seems fairly long for this device. Nothing special. I would really like to see a longer one, but it's still fine. Now here we have a U-shaped head. This is specialized for some local massage. We also have this ball head that I guess this might be the most used. This is quite soft here, and there's an attachment end for the main body with this soft ball. And this is a flat one. We can attach it with this end here. So all in all, these attachments come to be used with the main massager unit here that we will check closely. So we first have to unwrap it and see what's all about with this device here. Overall, this seems really pleasing aesthetically with this cherry color plastic here, but the build quality feels somewhat cheap. Here we have the power input for charging the battery, and then on-off switch with some LEDs here indicating the vibration level from lower up to high, like that. This looks like a power tool, and there's a fastening bolt here, but this is solid plastic like the head. Here you can check the power draw of this device. The handle has a rubberized material for better grip, but the plastic is really cheap. It is really similar with that of a children's toy, and you just have to push the head into place here. I believe at the higher scales it won't be detached. So it's working properly, but I can guarantee that the plastic won't break eventually. Now, charging the device, we just have to attach it here with the wall plug, and it seems that it's charged fully with this green LED. Overall, this is a cheap product and feels by its build quality, but again, it's the same product with the branded ones that can be costing up to 10 times more. So this was the unboxing of the KH-320 massager. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always, from M.A.D, thank you for watching.